Organize and use the info. Now that you've collected all this information, what are you going to do with it? It could be overwhelming to anyone, but organize it from the start so there's nothing lost as you learn. Most people know the best way to organize themselves, but remember to keep some of the material from open houses you attend. Keep all your notes and records from your favorite websites and publications. Here's an exercise for you. After studying up on all you've collected, try discussing it with a friend. Tell someone all about the market. Be sure you can break it down by housing type, area, and price point. Be able to answer these questions, which everyone will ask you once they know you're in real estate. How's the market? Where's the best place to buy? Is this a good time to buy or sell? What's happening with prices? What's happening in popular areas? Once you have a handle on the local data, you'll want to dig into the important national economic news to stay on top of the interest rates and other economic factors influencing real estate markets. Once you become a market expert, you'll have knowledge that can really help your clients and your career.